Meet Alex, a busy professional, always on the go, juggling work, family, and life. Like many of us, Alex never thought much about heart health. Until one day, everything changed. One day, Alex left from home. Suddenly, Alex felt a sharp pain in the chest, shortness of breath, and dizziness. At first, it was easy to ignore. Just stress, Alex thought. But the pain worsened. It was a heart attack. His family, friends, colleagues, everyone afraid about his situation. After emergency treatment, Alex faced a long road to recovery. It wasn't just about healing the heart, it was about changing a lifestyle. Alex learned the importance of nutrition, exercise, and regular health checks. Alex's story is a powerful reminder. Your heart health is in your hands. Small changes, like eating better, moving more, managing stress, can save your life. Today, Alex is stronger, healthier, and more aware than ever. Alex never imagined a heart attack could happen at 45. But it did. A sudden wake-up call. The pain was real. The fear was real. But so was the chance to change. With every healthy meal, every step taken, Alex rebuilt not just a heart, but a life. This story isn't just Alex's. It's a message for all of us. Your heart matters. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. But it doesn't have to be. Listen to your body. Don't ignore the signs. Check your heart health regularly and make choices that protect your most vital organ. For more inspiring stories and health tips, don't forget to subscribe to NeuroLab SA and hit the notification bell.